What's up, YouTube? This is Sean with MarketingOnlineEnterprises.com, and in this three-part tutorial, I'm going to explain to you what a landing page is, create the perfect landing page, and why you need it for your business. So, without any further ado, let's jump into the money-making content. Let's go! What's up, YouTube? This is Sean with MarketingOnlineEnterprises.com, and like I said in the intro, we are going to do a full tutorial on what a landing page is, how to create the perfect landing page, and why you need it for your business. So we're going to break this tutorial down into 3 individual videos, but first, let's get some housekeeping taken care of real quick. On this channel, we talk all about making money online, whether it be email marketing, CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, all those different things involving making money online. When it comes to building websites, sales funnels, and landing pages, obviously. So if that's your thing, if that's how you want to get down, if that's what you want to learn, then please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you'll know the next time I drop new fire hot content ready for you to consume, all right? So without any further ado, let's get into the money-making content. All right, let's go. So, like I said, we are going to talk about what a landing page is. And so it is a page that's on the internet that you send people to, your traffic to do one action and one action only. And that is to submit an email and contact information in exchange for something of value. That could be, say, like an ebook. That could be a free report. That could be a e-course or some sort of free training that you send them to in exchange for their contact information and email. So let's go to the whiteboard and let me do just a quick illustration on what I mean. So let's just say, for instance, you have someone perusing on their Facebook feed, on their news feed, and they're just going through, and in the back of their mind, they've been looking at losing weight. And so they're on their Facebook news feed, and they come across your ad. Now, you are an affiliate marketer, and you are looking to, make some money in affiliate marketing with a weight loss product. And so what you've done is created a Facebook ad on your account. So they come across your weight loss ad in their news feed, and they find your ad coming across, and so it's going to look a little bit like this. All right, so you're going to see your little logo right there. They're going to see a headline right there about let's say 7 tips on how to lose weight. 7 tips on how to lose weight. So they're interested. It piqued their interest, and they see the button that says right here, learn more. All right? So they're interested, and they see that button there. They came across it in their news feed, so they decide to, guess what, click that learn more button. They click that learn more button right there, and this learn more button takes them to what you call a landing page. This landing page right here is meant to do one thing. Let's just say this is step 1 of your landing page, all right? This is step 1 of your landing page. And so they are taken to a video. All right, and this video could be of you, it could be of anything that is related to them getting that report on 7 tips on how to lose weight. All right, so they see this report, free report on 7 tips on losing weight. Just put in your email. So they're interested. They put in their email. They're taken to step 2. Step 2 is where they actually input their email. All right? So they input their email. All right? And they get that report sent directly to that email that they put in. This then in turn takes them to, guess what? Your affiliate offer of this weight loss product that you are promoting. All right? Now, more than likely, they won't buy that product on the first try. That's why you have their email. And so, there you have it. That is what a landing page is. A landing page is meant to do one thing, and one thing only, and that is to generate a lead. Right here. Now you have their email, so you can be able to follow up with them. And there it is. That is what a landing page is, and that is why you need it for your business. So, in part 2 of this series, we are going to jump into my computer and we're going to actually build the perfect landing page. All right? Thank you very much. I'll see you in part 2. Deuces.